Welcome back to President's Picks. I'm Jono Shaw. This week I'm going smallest to largest with my picks. You can be the baddest paperboy in your neighborhood riding this 1949 Harley-Davidson Servitar. Powered by a 45 cubic inch L-head, mated to a 3-speed side-shifted transmission. Who said trikes can't be cool? Stepping up to 4 tires now is this strikingly beautiful 1966 Jaguar EType Series 1 Roadster. Powered by a 4.2 liter twin cam inline 6 mated to a 4-speed manual, this is British sports car royalty. Now we're up to full-size car here, 1969 Pontiac Firebird convertible Trans Am Tribute. Featuring a Ram Air 2 400 block, this bird's been given serious wings. With a stroker assembly, it's pushing 462 cubic inches. Like Hemmings.com, we're in growth mode now with this fully resto-modded 1941 Dodge Power Wagon. 12 valves and 5.9 liters. If you know, you know. The driveline here is bulletproof 1-ton stuff with hidden features galore. Rictus Erectus was going to be jealous of you. There's no replacement for displacement. 7.2 liters of Caterpillar power, 80 gallons of fuel, and 46-inch tall tires. If you want a truck 4 times bigger than an F-150, look here at this 2008 F-650 super truck with 4-wheel drive. Those are my picks on Hemmings.com. Go find your own.